Since we're in the lesson of multiplying and dividing with fractions and mixed numbers, let's talk about how to change an improper fraction into a mixed number, and let's understand why we end up dividing and what it represents when we're dividing. So first, I'm going to show you how to change this improper into a mixed number using models. Now, in a previous video, I posted the denominator 3 tells us how many pieces this whole is broken up into. So we have to break this up into 3 pieces. Now, our model is out of 3. Our fraction that we need to model is 5/3. So I need to shade 5 1/3 pieces. So let's shade. So that's 1/3, not enough because we need to get 5/3. Another third, which is 2/3. Another third, which is 3/3. I'm trying to get to 5/3, but this represents 3/3, so I need to draw another model. So here's another model. This represents 3/3. Another third makes 4/3. And this one makes 5/3. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1/3 pieces, which is what this equals. So now if you notice, this represents one whole, and this represents 2/3. So 5/3 equals 1 and 2/3. Now, we don't always model whenever we change an improper into a mixed number. We discuss a fraction bar actually represents division. So let's divide this. So the fraction bar represents division. I would read this from top to bottom. 5 divided by 3, I write it like this. So that top, the numerator is the dividend, the number that's being divided. The second number, the denominator, is the divisor, the number doing the actual dividing. So the 5 goes inside the division house. An easy way to remember, I ask my students, when you first wake up, do you wake up in your house or outside your house? So that first number, the number on top, whether it's bigger or smaller, always goes in the division house. And the divisor is the one doing the dividing. So now let's divide this. 3 goes into 5 once. And then 5 minus 3 is 2. Now that remainder is less than the divisor, so that works. That 1 actually represents the one whole in our answer. And then the 2 represents the 2 1/3 pieces that are left. So that divisor is what our denominator is. So that's why 5/3 equals 1 and 2/3. You can try this again. And here's an example you could try. You can pause it to take a look. 13/5 equals 2 and 3/5. Here's our model. 5/5 plus 5/5 plus 3/5 is 13/5. And you can divide it.